Today's lesson is user default. User default is stored data in offline our app. The Apple provide two methods to data store in offline. The first is user default and second one is core data. But I have learned today is user default to how can store offline data and retrieve data offline. The first of all, get this user default is a dictionary key and value store. So first of all, user default dot standard dot value. I would try to retrieve my name. This is key to retrieve name. This is value, but value is unknown. This is any type value. I have no idea to which types of our get value. So print value. The first time is the key is not to store any value, so print is null, but this store our data. This is a comment two line, not comment, but store user default dot standard dot set value. Set value is different types of like this URL, boolean, double, float, int, and any type. We are store type any. My name is not my name is a channel name. The create code with Anand and for key. So key is my name. Install and saving instantly user default dot standard dot synchronize. So this is a breakpoint and print this value null and run our code. So this is a print optional type. N is create code with Anand. So we are storing here for key my name to store create code with Anand and retrieve data my name this here. But update my name, this the update my name, this key, so copy and paste here Anand and value updated print and remove this. We are store one time offline data, so print first old value we are storing offline, create code, and then updated key value is Anand. So remove these two line and print the offline data. So this is store offline. So this is user default your requirement to store offline data. So thank you for watching this video. Like video, share video, and subscribe this channel. Hit the notification bell. You will get notification my latest video. So thank you.